Hey guys, just wanted to do a quick update on the trades that we missed last week. So I have one charted up here, here on my journal. We're reviewing, what happened last week. We can see here that we were checking in on price. This is the entry that I definitely could have taken if I had the confidence, but I continued to second guess myself. So that was a big lesson this week or last week. I mean, it's still this week. It'll be in three. Okay, whatever. Last week we didn't have the confidence to take the trade. I did the calculator, and if I would have used my real count, um, the stop loss would have got hit, but potentially I could have lost $8. I only had $5 in that account, so the account would have been so-called blown before anything like that happened. But we can see here that there was barely any withdrawal. Um, yeah, we never would have hit stop loss, and we never would have had the account blown. And we can see if even with a $5 account, because we're using uh, 0.01 lot here, um, we'd have had the potential to made $40 if I would have had the confidence to hold through all this. Realistically speaking, I don't think I would have got all of that. We would have probably taken some partials on the way up. Um, but yeah, it just shows the power of having the confidence in yourself. And there was some losing trades that week, but ultimately um, it comes down to having the confidence to trust your plan and executing on it when you do see it. Of course, I didn't have necessarily an exact plan on what was going to happen, but um, I think over the years of trading, even though I've been on and off, I have some instincts. And honestly, the price action on gold was really clean in the sense that it was following um, the systems like order blocks and using the fib. Here you can see that I had it lined up with the golden zone. That's a little golden box. So it retraced almost perfectly into the 62, continued up. There was BPRs and all this other stuff, fair value gaps that was used. And basically, with the news coming out as well, um, gold going up was kind of the trend, and the trend is your friend. So it was um, kind of easier in that sense to make sure to be going long instead of taking short. So I was playing the right side of it, and that idea. Well, unfortunately, I don't know if we'll have any opportunities like that this coming week. But I'll take the advice of one of my viewers that I'm going to try trading some indices during London session, possibly, and as well as continuing to look for opportunities. Hopefully, we've learned our lesson. We have a bit more confidence. I think I do, but we'll see. Obviously, as we go into the week. Hope you guys enjoy this quick little review, but just a quick reminder, and just in general for anybody that's trading, is you should be recording your trades, your missed trades, your losses, all that stuff. Um, I think for this week, or at least the next few days, I'll continue to just uh, kind of trust my instincts and what I know, and then I can, based on how I'm feeling, I can start to see what strategy is best for me. I have a lot of strategies that are kind of memorized in my head already, which I've been kind of following, but I haven't had a strict set of rules, which is why most likely I haven't had the confidence as well to be trading my real account with the real money. So, yeah, I have many um, setups here. We can quickly review them. Actually, um, I think yeah, extra strategy. So I have a bunch here. A lot of them have to do with the New York session, which is why I actually have not been using them. But yeah, we can see here that last week we ended the week. We're still up on the count, but we lost maybe two grand or a little less than that. This was in the beginning of the week as well. We're down on one account. The rest are we didn't touch, so they're still up. But yeah, looking forward to the next week. I'm not going to be trading tonight. I'm just too tired for it right now. So hopefully tomorrow we can start. But yeah, call it quits there. Let me know your guys' thoughts. Anything you want to see or anything like that. I am, again, I think I've mentioned it before, I am more willing if anybody wants to kind of show. There's a lot of information that I have stored away on this Notion page, as well as having a few documents on Google Docs that have plenty of trading information that I've gathered over the years. It's called it's kind of all over the place, but I'm not going to be like a dick and try to charge people. A lot of it is honestly screenshots and summaries of information I've gathered from other people and other traders. I could also do a video on the trading videos that have helped me the most, or the YouTubers that I like the most. I've also read a decent amount of books on trading and taken some notes and stuff like that, and I would be more than willing to share that kind of information as well. Let me know what you guys want to see from this account. I'm gonna just continue trading and seeing how it goes, but not putting too much pressure on myself, because that's definitely a part of the emotional aspect of it. So yeah, I'm playing it smart and not trading today by having the self-awareness to know that I'm really tired and probably wouldn't be doing the best when it comes to trading. And there's another hour, which I don't think I can stay up that much. So yeah, looking forward to the week. I've been yapping away for too long. Thanks for watching, guys. Peace.